What are you both doing? Oh, why am I not surprised, eh? Welcome venturers, thank you for joining. Today we'll be unboxing the new Magic Keypad 2021. First impression, damn, it's really heavy. As I unbox this, I will talk about information that you need to know before purchasing one of these. In September 2021, I purchased this for £329. This model is for a 12.9-inch iPad Pro. There is one available for 11-inch, and the only difference is just the size and price, obviously. The colour choices you get in this is black and white at the moment. I decided to go for the black, as with white you'll be able to see scratch marks, dirt marks, etc. So this generation is compatible for a 2020 and a 2019 iPad Pro. It is a big step up from the previous generation, as this you get everything all in one. A mouse pad, a keyboard and a case. So you won't have to buy it separately. The keys itself has a background light, so if you do use the iPad with the keyboard during the dark, you'll be able to see the keys that you need to enter. You do get a information pack with this, but you won't get a USB-C charger, sorry. So in the information pack you will get will be a startup guide, a safety information, and an information booklet about the product. Again, you do not get a USB-C charger with this. The material of this is smooth and it does feel robust. Gives you a good feeling that this thing will last a very long time if treated correctly. As you can see, I've tried to stretch it as much as I could and it's just holding itself, so it is very strong. Probably why it weighs so much. One thing I wanted to know is, do I have to keep adjusting the iPad when it connects? But as you can see, with very little effort, it aligns itself automatically. The last thing you want to do is attach an iPad to a keyboard and it's at an angle. The keys itself are smooth and you hear a click every time you do press it. The mouse pad, smooth as, responds very quickly, and when you do press down on the mouse pad, it does enter. Using this is really light work, so I'm very impressed with that. You can attach it easily and detach it. Overall, great product. If you do want more information, just leave a comment below and I will respond to you as soon as possible. If you want to have any other unboxing, please do let me know in the comments below. and I'll be more than happy to do an unboxing of that. Thank you again for watching, and hope to see you guys again soon.